And so
Right.
actually, I think within those 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we hit over 40K in sales.
Talk about that number and not me, but I love that. Here's one of my favorite things that you guys did is that 37% of your customers opted for the yearly billing, which is an electric amount of extra cash collected upfront for you guys.
Oh my gosh. Now we know and understand the importance of working with key strategic partners, seeing SamCart being one of them. Because right now you're looking at customer support, you're looking at community manager, community engagement, CEO, partner, all of the roles, and just being able to
A lot of job
have that
titles. Yeah.
revenue to provide support, have somebody support me so that I can just focus on the vision is truly
Right.
life changing, actually. We love the fact that we could have multiple different payment types. There's people that want to utilize their wallet. I, for example, never carry my card in hand. I will never memorize the numbers. So if I'm not able to just purchase with one click, if there's so many different obstacles to buy, I'm going to disengage. UX UI is huge for us. And one of the big differentiators for us was the UX and UI interface of SamCart, was the ease of use of the customer portal, of the settings, of being able to adjust and edit something as simple as my checkout screen and my receipt and the emails that get sent to customers. We're all about customization. And there were a lot of other platforms that just felt really Craigslisty for us. And we're all about simplicity. We're all about clarity. Then the SamCart functionality, just the platform itself, being able to look at data, being able to onboard and create the product SKUs was something that actually happened really fast. Now I'm going in there, ooh, what other products can I add and add as an upsell?
Exactly right.
Yeah.
Exactly right.
It's
Yep.
easy to
Love
use.
that.